Quiz 1. Fill in the blanks and complete the following dialogue, with proper form of the following verbs.
Conversation 2. Where is Mary?
Mary is cooking in the kitchen. She is chopping up some vegetables because she is making a vegetable soup.
How is she making it?
She is reading a recipe and following the instructions inside. She is enjoying herself.
Quiz 2. Fill in the blanks with the proper form of the verbs in parentheses.
She is chopping up vegetables now.
He is working on his car.
The dogs are following the man.
She is enjoying herself now.
She is giving some flowers to her mother.
She is listening to the music now.
They are taking their time.
She is changing her cloth now.
He is checking his blood sugar.
They are talking about their business. Quiz 3. Listen to the conversation and fill in the blanks with the proper form of the following verbs.
Conversation 3. Okay. What is Bob doing?
Bob is working on his car. He is giving it a tune-up. He is changing the oil and checking all the parts of the cars.
But he is not working. He is just standing there.
He is taking his time because he wants to do the job right. He is listening to the radio as he works.
She wants